Hello, my name's Jenny Luscombe and I'm a facilitator of healing and a very passionate advocate for self-healing. Today I want to talk about an emotion that is kind of overlooked and it's a big one: stubbornness. How do we heal stubbornness? So normally, because we have blind spots, we only perceive stubbornness in other people. It's a big blind spot for us all because we have belief systems that run in our subconscious mind that prevent us from fully seeing ourselves. So we need to be right. We need to be heard. We need people to listen to us. We want to be understood. So if you're in any kind of conflict situation with another person and you're absolutely demented because you're so frustrated that they cannot let you in, they cannot hear you, I've got a life hack for you. So whatever it is that someone else is making you feel very strongly in your body, in your thoughts, it's you. It's you. So when it appears to you in your reality that someone else is being incredibly stubborn and they won't listen to you, ask yourself this question: how are they making me feel the exact same way? How am I making them feel the exact same way that they're making me feel? Because there's always a reflection. And stubbornness is a particularly difficult one because it's all wrapped up with a boatload of other emotions. So stubbornness is actually a form of self-abuse. If someone is being stubborn around you, towards you, you're doing it to them, but you can't see it. So ask yourself, how am I doing the exact same thing to them that they're doing to me? This exact feeling that they're giving me because of their stubbornness, how could I be doing that to them? What am I not seeing? Sit with it. When you realize what it is, you will be shocked. Now, this can bring immense peace. If you don't look at yourself in any conflict situation, you're stuck. And it just goes on. And we just end up in these patterns of, no, you're the one. You're the one. You know, you're the one that does this. You're the one that says that. It goes on and on. See it. See the reflection. Sit with it. If you don't, if you continue to make your stand without letting it go and without seeing yourself and without seeing that you're doing and saying and being the exact same way that they are, and that both of you are feeling the same, you will end up going round and round in circles with emotions like rejection, discouragement, confusion, defensiveness. It's a trap. Don't fall in. Lots of love.